Okay, right here we're doing a custom wire job. I'm putting this MR16 lamp that I retrofitted to LED bulbs, and this is how you snake it. Above this outlet, I'm going to put a dimmer switch about 50 inches because this is kind of a desk area, so I don't want to put it too high. I want it to be at a comfort level. Right here I'm using a hanger. I have a snake in my garage. I'm just too lazy to go get it. There we go, Drew. Now for this little hole here, I'm going to use a gray Romex connector, excuse me. So it's going to look good. I'll get back with part 2.